Look who's trying to reach out for her little octopusy toy. Get it, Vanessa. Oh, there you go.
Try this one now. This one makes noise.
Oh.
You can do it. You work so hard. You work so hard.
What is this, at 11.5 weeks?
You work so hard. You can get it.
Vanessa at 11.5 weeks.
Makes a noise.
She's starting to learn how to use her little hands and grabbing for things.
Not to mention standing up on her own legs. Wow. There you got it. Way to go. Are you wiping your mouth?
Whee! Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie.
Let's try the purple. Which is your favorite, the purple or the silver? Oh, those pretty colors. You pointing to that one? There you go.
Vanessa? Vanessa? Oh, you want to squeeze the head. You want the head to make some noise.